Ah, a power sander would really help. Whoa, $150? That's way too much for one use.
Hey, let's find a sander on Karma Exchange.
Good idea. I'll search and filter for rent or borrow.
Perfect, sharing is caring.
Exactly.
A pin drops just 2 blocks away. Mark's Garage. Power sander available. 5 Karma day.
Hey, this should help. It's a good one. Thanks, Mark. How do I turn it on? Just press this button. Hold it steady. Got it. Here it is, wiped clean. Looks great, thanks. Anytime. Appreciate it.